wanted to get involved. I really believe in kids and giving back to public schools. They're the wave of the future. They've inspired us to start a program. It's going to be called the Young Cooks Program. We are going to match fundraisers up to 3 times so that kids can have nice knives to use in their culinary arts program.
Just the whole notion of what was happening was really mind-blowing. As they use the knives throughout their time with me in this kitchen, they'll be able to really pinpoint, what it is to have a quality, sharp, safe knife. I think they really saw the difference in a high-quality tool versus, an industry standard.
It's so important to teach kids how to cook. Just being a life skill, cooking for themselves, cooking nutritious foods, there is a lost art of actually being able to cook, and it's not being passed down to generations like it had been. And I think culinary arts programs in high schools like this are making a difference.